Hello friends, this is Val from Twin Sisters Country Cooking, and today I want to make something a little more healthier for my family. I want to do apple cinnamon muffins. So I'm really excited about making the apple cinnamon muffins for one who doesn't like apples. And a muffin is so easy to grab on your way out the door. Let's get started. So first thing on our list to do is we're going to blend our cottage cheese to make it smooth. We're going to do that first off, then we're going to wash, peel, and dice up our apples. And then we'll be ready to put it all together. Okay, so we have some brown sugar and I chopped up some pecans. My brown sugar is kind of hard. I should put some. My brown sugar gets hard. Sometimes you buy it that way. It's kind of maddening when you do, because I like the really fresh, loose brown sugar. And it just kind of makes me think that it's old. So anyway, we just want to mix the brown sugar and the pecans together. This will be our topping for the batter in the muffins. Okay, so we're going to set that aside. Grab a bowl. And what we want to do is we're going to mix our apple, eggs, and blended cottage cheese. And our diced apples. We'll mix those together and then we'll add our oat flour, cinnamon, and I'm putting in just a little pinch of salt. Okay, so here are the wet ingredients. Now we're going to add, I don't know if I want to use this whisk, so I'll use the trusty spoon. Our oat flour, pinch of salt, and cinnamon. And it says just to mix it until combined. We don't want to overmix it. So all right, we don't want to overmix it, so we'll go with that. And yes, I got too many going on here, but that's okay. We can always take out what we don't use. All right, so I'm going to change to a spoon. We'll just fill as many muffin tins as we can. We got 9 muffins. This will make it really good. We'll just sprinkle a little at first, and then whatever we have left, we'll divide and conquer. Okay, we are ready to go to the oven, and the oven is ready. So we'll see in about 25 minutes at 350. We'll see you then. And we're done. It is time to try our muffin. Looks delicious and it smells delicious. Still warm too. Oh wow. Oh man, that's really good. That's really good. So this is our cottage cheese and apple pecan muffin. I think you would like that. Well, I think we just found something that we can eat that's kind of sweet, but it's healthier too. That's really good. That's one for the books. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. And if you could, ring that bell, hit the like button, and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And have a wonderful day. See you next video. Bye-bye.